Hi, hello, 𝙬𝙧𝙚𝙬 here. We create excellent presentations. Please remember to like and share this video and subscribe our valuable channel. You can also follow our social media. Hi, hello guys. In this video we will together design this abstract slide in just PowerPoint as usual. So let's get started. So right click and new slide. So we have just created a new slide. Alright, so as you can see on this slide right here we have all of our elements, and outside right here we have this kind of, let's say, outline, these margins. Yeah, I think I can call it like that. So they are basically just white rectangles that we can remove or we can let them stay right here, but I decided to add them because I think it looks much better. Alright, so let's get started. So as you can see here, we have basically our background is filled with this gradient. So right click, format background, click gradient, and as you can see we have a gradient window. So here we can add or remove gradient stops. The first color is something like here, navy blue, and the second color is this purple pink. Yeah, I would say like that. And of course angle, we can adjust an angle. I set it to 120 degree. Alright, the next thing is this photo. So as you can see, this photo is cropped to this kind of wavy abstract shape. So I will try to make something similar. So yeah, go to the insert, shapes, and in lines section you have here something called curve. So yeah, and we need to make something similar. Of course it will not be perfect, but I think we can create something quite similar. Alright, so Ctrl X to cut it and Ctrl V to paste it right here. Alright, as you can see, this shape is besides our rectangle, so I think we can crop it. Alright, so yeah, select, create a new rectangle right here. Alright, and select two of those shapes, and now shape format, merge shapes, and just click intersect. Alright, as you can see it is already cropped. Alright, so I think we will copy this photo. Of course we need to reset this picture because originally it was not cropped to this kind of wavy abstract shape. Alright, so the first step is to flip this photo. So picture format, rotate and flip horizontally, because we would like this woman to be on the right side. Alright, we need to send it to back, this photo. And now we need to, as a first object, we need to select the photo, and as a second, that shape. Alright, and we need to go to the shape format, merge, and intersect. Alright, and as you can see, it looks quite interesting. Alright, the next thing are those margins. So that's quite easy. Insert, shapes, and insert a rectangle that is filled with white color. So let's do so. Ctrl Shift and drag it to the right side. Well, actually, I think we can make those margins a little bit bigger. Yeah. So Ctrl Shift and drag it to the really right side. Ctrl Shift and drag it. We need to rotate it. Alright. Place it right here. And of course, we need to change the width right now. And also Ctrl Shift and drag to the really bottom. And as you can see, our margins are finished. Yeah, actually, we need to make this photo grayscale, so let's do so. Alright, the next thing is this line. I think it's looks really well, because also this photo is cropped to this kind of wavy shape, and also here we have a line with this creative wavy shape also. So insert shapes in the lines section curve and just create something similar. Of course, it's quite difficult to create the same line, but you don't have to be so precise. So if we finished our shape, just click enter, and now shape outline, yeah, let's say orange, because I would like you to see this shape. Yeah, all right, so now we can change shape outline to white. But as you can see also, the width of this line is it is so thin, right? So right click on this line. Yeah, I think it is not the easiest thing. All right, format shape, and here you have fill and line. We would like to go to the line section, and right here you have width. So just increase the width to, I think, maybe about 17 points. Yeah, I think that's cool. All right, and change position, or actually I think that's cool right here. All right, the next thing is our title. As you can see, I used Red Hat display font, and I really recommend this font to you because because it is for free, it's modern, and yeah, it looks just beautiful. So PowerPoint slide. All right, as a reminder, in my opinion, the best program to create presentations is PowerPoint, because a lot of people hate PowerPoint, but yeah, and actually I agree with that, because some older versions of PowerPoint, they are just useless and really old. Yeah, so as you can see, this is our original title, and this is a title that we have just created. And of course, characters here are the same, but formatting is different. So how to make the same formatting? That's quite easy. You have to, as a first, select this title, so original title. Right here you have something called Format Painter, and it's a game changer. You just click it, click on this title, and as you can see, it's the same formatting. So yeah, that's a game changer in PowerPoint. All right, and our lorem ipsum. Lorem ipsum is also quite easy to create. You just need to type something like here. So I will just copy and paste it right here. All right, and the last thing is our 2021. I just wanted to add this kind of year because I just wanted to fulfill here the empty space, right? All right, and basically this 2021 is filled with white color, but I just increased transparency to 90%. So as you can see, it is not so visible, but it is still a little bit visible. So I think that was a great decision. So send it to back. All right, and we need just now to change position of our body text and our title. All right, yeah, I think that's cool. So as you can see, this is a slide that we just created. This is our original slide, and of course here shapes are a little bit different, but it is not possible to create the same abstract wavy shape. Yeah, so yes, so summing up, I think you liked this tutorial. Please give us likes below. If you have any questions, just post a comment right below. Subscribe our channel and turn on the notification bell, because we record 3 videos per week, so that's quite a lot. And of course, remember that we have a website with our blog and some free resources, www.excellentslides.com. So yeah, so visit our website right now. Thank you guys for watching, have a great day, and lead a happy life. excellent slides.